Hello, in this video we're gonna perform the camera test between VIVO X200 FE and Huawei Pura 70 Pro. Okay, so basically we're going to check what features both cameras have, both devices, and also I took some photos, and we're gonna check the differences in the quality and maybe in the color palette. So first let's open up the camera app and let's try and let's see what features we have on both of the devices. So when it comes to the simple photo mode, we have the different zoom levels, of course. On both we have the wide mode, we have 0.6 on the VIVO. On the Huawei it's like 0.5. Basically select the W and that's the wide mode. Okay, then we have modes, zooms into 10x on this bar, but the maximum zoom on both of the devices, as you use your fingers to scroll in, it's 100x on both of the devices, as you can see. So when it comes to the zoom level, it's the same on both devices. Alright, next to it on VIVO we have the filters right in here, but to change them on the Huawei we need to click in here on the top. In here we have some filters. To be exact, we have 4, while on the VIVO we have a lot of them, and we can almost adjust each one of it. So when it comes to the number of the filters, VIVO is on the winning position. It simply has more of them. Okay, we have the QR code scanner in here on the Huawei and on the top left corner on the VIVO. We also have the live photo, which is called moving picture on the Huawei, but we have that feature available. When we open up the settings on both devices, let me open up the maybe not more settings yet. We can select the aspect ratio. It can be 4:3, 1:1, or the full screen. While on the VIVO we also have 16:9, while we don't have it on the Huawei, but it's not like a big deal. We have a cool feature to capture photos when someone is smiling on the Huawei. That's the differences. We can change the video resolution also. Below we have 16:9. Actually, I think that's because it's not in here, the 16:9, because it's for the video resolution. So we can change also the frame rate, 30 or 60 FPS, and I think it will be the same on the VIVO, yeah, 1080p. But we have 4K available on the VIVO. While actually in here we also have, my bad, sorry. We have the 4K resolution when it comes to the video. Okay, but okay, we can. I thought that on the VIVO we can only set 60 FPS, but on the Huawei we can also do it. So when it comes to that level of details, we have almost the same possibilities. The assistive grip and horizontal level are also available in here on the VIVO. But maybe let's check the differences in some modes. Let's go back in here. So we also have the portrait mode on both devices. As you take a look, we can also enable some effects on the Huawei. In here we have the list. We also have the option to beautify. We can change it on this bar manually. In here we have the information button, what it does. On the VIVO we can also change the filters. And also we can change the, in here I think it's the focus or the exposure. Okay, it's called the Segenboek flare. I don't know what it is, but it's available on the VIVO. So now you know. Again, we also have the option to beautify, also on the VIVO. While in On the VIVO, we have more options to adjust. We can select the natural, and in that we can change the smoothness, the hair glow, the skin tone, and the widening frontal face, while only on the Huawei we have one simple bar from levels from 0 to 10, while on the VIVO we can change a lot of things. So I think it's better on the VIVO. In here we have some other modes. We can click on the information button, you can read about it. So that's all for the those modes for the portrait mode. We also have the snapshot on both devices, and same thing with the night mode, which is, you know, best for taking photos at night. Okay, now let's go into the Pro mode, also available on both devices. In here we have the Pro mode. We can change basically all of the stats on both devices. They are practically the same. We can adjust anything that we want. So, you know, this mode is like for almost pros, for people who like to play with the settings, adjust anything to their own preferences. This mode is just for you. It's available on both devices, so you know that one of the devices isn't on the winning position because it has or doesn't have the Pro mode. They both have. All right, then next mode, the high resolution. In here on the Huawei and also on the VIVO, it's available, and it provides us the best quality of the picture possible. We have the 50 megapixel mode enabled on the high resolution on both devices, of course. Also we have the slow motion on both devices, but I need to check just to make sure. One thing that is winning on the Huawei, on the VIVO, in comparison to VIVO, of course. On the VIVO we have the max FPS 240, while in here we can enable 960. That's a lot of FPS per second. I also took a quick video just to show you how the 960 mode works, which isn't available on the VIVO. So when it comes to that, it's definitely winning. I mean, the Huawei, it's winning in comparison to VIVO, because VIVO doesn't have that feature. Okay. When it comes to the other modes, we have the time-lapse on both devices, the panorama mode, in here panorama, and here the panel. We also have the story creator on the Huawei. It is pretty cool, a pretty cool option. And when it comes to the things that we don't have, or the differences, for example, on the VIVO we have the Astro mode and the Super mode and the food. Well, on the Huawei we have the Super Macro instead. We have the multicam, we have the aperture, and we have the story creator. So let me show you how it works. I mean the story creator, because I just took a quick video that shows how this mode works. And now I need to find it actually. Gallery, it should be in here somewhere. I think that's this video. Oh, actually maybe not. Okay. Again, not that. No, actually, let me show you how to use it. Let's begin with the story creator, and in here we can use we can create stories basically. Let me use the upbeat mode, for example. So basically this video will be cut into 4 parts, and you can see a showcase how it look like. So we can we can perform a montage of our video, like a time lapse or something like that. Simply it will be in that movie vibe, you know, with all those moves and those zooms. You can see it now on the screen. I'm not going to create a video, but you can see a showcase right now on the screen. And of course we have various modes when it comes to that. Alright, now maybe let me open up the gallery and I'll show you some photos that I have taken on both devices. So, in here we have a simple photo on the 1x zoom. You can see that the colors are a little bit boosted on the Huawei. It's because of some greener mode. It has been enabled automatically when I open up the camera app and when I pointed on that trampoline. But even it might look better, but in my case and in my opinion, the reality is simply better on the VIVO. I mean that that picture looks more real than this one, because those colors are really boosted. So this picture is definitely closer to the reality than this one, than on the Huawei. Okay, I also use the high resolution mode in here. I took the photo of that tree. You can take a look on the level of the details, and I'll leave the answer to you which one is better. But I will tell you that on the Huawei we only have one level of zoom, while on the VIVO we have the 3x zoom. So that was the 1x and that's the 3x, so I could zoom a little bit more, while on the Huawei I wasn't able to do it. He doesn't have that feature. Alright, next thing, I created the super slow motion video, just like I have said in here, with 960 FPS. So let me play that, just to show you how it works. You can see that it's really slowed, just like I have said, 960 FPS per second. So you know how it works. It's not available on the VIVO, just a quick reminder. Okay, in here I took a normal, like... oh, in here we have that... the story creator that I used. It's with music, so I'll mute it. But I'll play it for you, just to show you how that mode works. So we have that smooth transitions. Just like I have said, the video is cut into parts. It's like a, story. So, you have a showcase how it looks like in real life. Okay, in here I took also some photos. That's the 5x zoom. You can see the big difference in the color play. Just like I have said, simply the colors are better on the Huawei. They are boosted, but they are more real and they reveal the reality on the VIVO. You just need to believe me that that leaves aren't that green in the reality, just like they present on the photo. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.